mango. Summer season, we are going to make something really nice, cute, yummy mango dishes. You cannot miss upon mangoes. So let us start. I have taken 2 mangoes. You can take any type of mango. I have just removed the skin. Then I made a pulp of it. So we'll be making a yummy dish. Do follow. This is Rajni Sharma Madan. Mangoes, and mangoes. We are going to make a dish that is a dessert covered with desiccated coconut. Yummy mango dish. You can store it in your fridge. And let us start. It is very simple, very few ingredients. That is mango pulp, sugar, corn flour. That's it. And desiccated coconut. So let's move. So we'll start. As the process keeps on moving, we'll be showing you. Yeah. So now I have taken 2 big mangoes, 100 grams. So into this I'll be adding the sugar to taste. It is up to you. 8 sugar will do. Two spoons of corn flour. Little water to it. 12. We are going to add into mango pulp. Everything into the pan and then start stirring. And did you know why did I add corn flour into this? This will be thickening and making into a buttery form. So you have to keep on stirring. Mangoes have the highest amount of vitamin D. So eating mango is a very good thing because very few things have vitamin D in them. Of course, sunlight is the best. Then you have mushrooms too, which have vitamin D. So mangoes have a high content of sugar too. Instant energy you get. This is good again because it's seasonal. Eat during season. So this is bubbling and it has thickened. It is leaving the pan. Just you can see it is leaving the pan. At this stage you can add 1 spoon of ghee because it's a desi barfi. So you can add 1 spoon. So this will do. This is enough. It's a desi barfi. So you can add ghee or butter, whatever you like. So we'll mix for 1 minute and we will plate it. So you can see it is so greasy. Mithais are always greasy, you can see. Shine, they give not only they are healthy, they give the beautiful look too. So just see, now we'll be offing the gas at this stage and it is done. You can see it is leaving the pan. Now it has cooled a bit. So at this stage I am using silicone. You can use any steel or any vessel. Grease it with oil. This is silicone, you need not grease it. But if you are using steel or something, steel katori, you have to grease it and then set it. You have to set it for some time. After pouring this, you have to set it for some time. So I am using the silicone. So I will be pouring. So I will be filling all the silicone cups. Using any steel or glass katori vessel. So what you have to do is take little ghee or oil, whatever you want to use, just apply on. Like how you do for baking cakes. So apply the ghee on and then you can pour this. So I have finished So it is hot right now. It needs some half an hour or 45 minutes to rest. So I keep it in the fridge. I keep it in the freezer or the fridge, which means freezer, or if you want to eat in the night, you can keep it in the fridge. And we'll demold and show you that it's set. So what we'll be doing is demolding this. As it is a silicone thing, let us turn this. Just you get the shapes of this. Let us demold it. Just see how beautiful it is. Yeah, you can demold all the things. Yeah, just see the lovely thing. See the eggs you can, in that mold you can use. You can use ice cream molds, you can use baking item molds. Any mold you can find which can set the figure. You can just mold it and just see how beautiful it is. It is. Okay, now when we have done in this small cup, silicone cup, you can get from the silicone cup. Yeah, just see those small beans. You can just see the small detailing of the mold. You can just see how beautiful and integrated and so beautiful. You can see the small lines, what is shape. Yeah, and so easy, believe me, it's so simple and easy. Now what we'll be doing is, we will take these beautiful, lovely mango sweets and we need to decorate. So we'll be decorating in the coconut, desiccated coconut. Yeah. Just roll it and let us plate it. Wow, just see the beautiful design, and it is really yummy to eat, simple to make, not much of time. Whenever festivals arrive, like Diwali is going to arrive, or Valentine's, Vinayaka Chaturthi, any festival that is arriving, you can use these. Just see the lovely mango sweet dish, simple and easy to make. It's seasonal and different form of making mango in juice. So this is really yummy. You can give it to your kids. So have a great and a yummy mango day. Enjoy, have a great time. See you. If you like my videos, please do follow me, share with your friends. This is Rajni Sharma Madam. And do not forget to subscribe. And please do ring the icon bell. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time. Bye.